Today is a first alert weather day for a line of strong to severe storms that will move through this afternoon. So what does that mean for you? We have a low tornado potential today that could see a brief tornado pop up along the line. And we also have hail up to ping pong size possible. That's one of our greater impacts. We're also going to see a greater impact from strong winds, seeing gusts up to 60 to 70 miles per hour. So you might want to park your car under one of those ports or maybe even in your garage if you have one. And you'll want to make sure to hold on to your hats and also secure your trampoline or trash can. That trampoline's the mascot of the Midwest when it goes flying like that. Currently, from our severe storm risk, we are under a 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That's a slight risk at that, issued by the Storm Prediction Center. And that entails the possibility of seeing a 2% risk for tornadoes within 25 miles of any given location in the highlighted area, a 5 to 15% risk for hail above an inch, and a 5 to 15% risk of seeing severe thunderstorm level wind speeds. We will see that line start to develop as we go into this afternoon. Could see a couple showers this morning. We'll see some stratus clouds as well start to linger into the afternoon. That could be a limiting factor in our storm risk as we go throughout our day. But I still am expecting, because of the temperatures that we will have by the time we get to the afternoon, that we could still see that storm risk last for the eastern half of our viewing area. So don't let your guard down. You'll want to make sure to grab that umbrella and also heed any alerts that are issued. And so that line will really start to form over our area, moving to the east according to our HRRR model, really broken up and really weak at that, but it still could cause some severe impacts. And then we'll move east by around 6 to 8 p.m. before clearing out going into the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. Another one of our models, the graph model, is showing the same thing, that we could see some showers ahead of that line. We could see that line start to develop a little bit off to our west, and that could increase the chance of seeing severe impacts in areas like Topeka and maybe down in Emporia and in Lyon County. And that line will move off by 6 to 8 o'clock as well, according to this model run. Currently from our Washburn University Skycam in Emporia, it is cloudy. We're seeing those clouds from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker in the 40s and 50s across the area. Will rise from around the 50s into the 70s, then getting down into the 40s overnight. Today's forecast between the 50s and 70s with stormy conditions. Tonight we will be in the 30s and we will be partly cloudy, cooling off, seeing that northwesterly flow. 50s and 60s tomorrow with sunny skies. I am forecasting for Easter that we will have an excellent forecast, being in the 60s and sunny. And as far as our 8-day forecast, we do have that first alert weather day today for stormy conditions, that line of strong to severe storms from 2 to 8 p.m. And then we have Easter Sunday looking nice. Rain chances return Monday into Tuesday. Then rain chances more again by late to midweek.